Hey, hello everyone. So now we are going to discuss about handicraft as we were discussing before some time also. So ivory crafting. It is we can say hathi daat or ivory crafting probably as a significance to the elephant tusk which was source of ivory. So it also export from like many countries exports from India to Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, and part of Persian Gulf. So, ivory comb from Takshashila as a famous one before that. So, where basically the ivory craft is famous in India, ivory craft in Delhi, Jaipur, part of West Bengal, and Ambari Hathi. It's very famous Ambari Hathi and other specialist areas Kerala well known for printing of ivory and like Kerala for printing of ivory. Okay. Kerala is famous for printing of ivory. Jodhpur is the for bangle of ivory in Rajasthan. Jodhpur is bangles, and Jaipur is for the jali work of ivory, jali and bangles. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about next handicraft, that is terracotta craft. Terracotta craft are generally bagged earth ceramic clay used there. So that is Panchampura horse and Bankura horse are important, and that is in West Bengal. Terracotta art is in terracotta art is in West Bengal. Okay, Bankura and Panchampura horse is famous. Now silver jewelry. Silver jewelry is basically famous in Bidri, Paijam, and filigree work is also it known for. So Gunchi and Bindri is known for the silver work in the silver jewelry in India. So that is famous in Odisha. Silver jewelry that is famous in Odisha and is Pendri, Pehjam and Gunchi. Okay. Now clay and pottery work. Clay and pottery work is famous before Mehergarh was very famous in Neolithic site. Okay. And red and black pottery. West Bengal is also very famous for the clay and pottery. And Rowlett pottery, glazed pottery. So Khurja poetry is famous in UP. There is some name Khurja poetry. Khurja poetry is famous in UP. Blake poetry is famous in UP. Blake poetry is also famous in UP. Khurja and Blake poetry. And glazed tiles in Chunar. Glazed tiles in Chunar and blue pottery in Jaipur. It's very important blue pottery. Blue pottery in Jaipur and black pottery in UP. Okay, Kagji pottery in Alwar. Kagji pottery is in Alwar. So Kagji pottery in Alwar, Rajasthan. Okay. Kagji pottery in Alwar and Pokhran pottery in Pokhran. Pokhran pottery in Pokhran and Dalgate pottery. Dalgate pottery in Jammu Kashmir. Dal as name is itself speaking Dalgate pottery in Jammu Kashmir. Karigari pottery in Tamil Nadu. Name is itself telling Karigari. Like mostly Karigar lives in Tamil Nadu, Karigari pottery. And Surai pottery in West Bengal, Karigari in Tamil Nadu, black pottery in Manipur also. Manipur also black pottery, Manipur. Okay. So this is black pottery and Gappi Chandam in Saurashtra, Gopi Chandam. Gopi Chandan in Maharashtra, Gopi Chandan. It's art object made of clay. So Gopi Chandan, it's also a art object that made with clay. So that is famous in Gujarat, Gopi Chandan. Okay. Now we are discussing bronze craft. Bronze craft are basically Jain image and icon. They are in Karnataka. Karnataka is the bronze art. Okay, bronze art is in Karnataka. Dokra casting is in Odisha. Dokra casting name is very important. Dokra casting is in Odisha and West Bengal. Both are for Dokra casting. Okay, and Pahaldar lamp. Pahaldar lamps are very famous. Copper and brass like Pahaldar lamp that is in UP and Jaipur. Pahaldar lamp, Pahaldar lamp. And Pemberthi craft in Telangana. It is a Pemberthi craft and sheet metal brass art to adorn chariot of temple. Okay, now we are going to discuss some craft from metal. So craft from metal is there is the name like Badla is in Rajasthan. Badla art in Rajasthan, and created of scratching and cutting lines into the other metal, that there some metals. Marori work in Rajasthan also. Marori, okay. Badla and Marori work in Rajasthan. Barik Kam is also in Rajasthan, and Tarkashi is also in Rajasthan, and Koftgiri is also in Rajasthan. Okay, now leather product. Where is the leather product are famous for? That is in Jaipur and Jodhpur and Kanpur, three areas. Okay, Jaipur, Jodhpur and Kanpur is famous for leather work, and Kolhapuri chappal, very famous in Kanpur. Okay, now we are going to discuss about wooden work. Wooden work is famous in Kashmir. Okay, wooden work is famous in Kashmir, and shisham wood is used there. Walnut, deodar wood also they use there, and kathamband, ajli, pinjra, some house made from the wooden. Gujarat is also famous for wooden lattice work, and Karnataka is for the sandalwood. Karnataka is for the sandalwood. Okay, and Andhra Pradesh is for the Rakt Chandan. Very important, Rakt Chandan. So Andhra Pradesh is famous for Rakt Chandan, red sandalwood. Okay, so carved doll and figurines are made of. Kerala is teak wood. Kerala is famous for teak wood. In Rajasthan also we have teak woods, but there is Tharawad house that are famous for their deep brown color. Teak wood in Kerala, and Kus, Kumising in Nagaland. Kumising is what? Kumising is a local wood found in most part of the northeastern state, and that is famous in Nagaland. Now Rohida in Rajasthan, and this is decorative like Sindo boxes and turn bowls are made up of that Rohida particularly. Ratnagiri in Maharashtra is famous for Pandora wood. It's very important, Pandora wood. So this Pandora wood is where? That is in Ratnagiri. Now we are going to discuss some toys. Okay. Okay, thank you.